today we are reviewing Goo Jit Zu. And my name's Rolly. My name is Mr. C.
And my name is Mrs. Sprinkles.
And we are going to be showing you the hidden objects inside of the Goo Jit Zu. My favorite. So I like Goo Jit Zu because they're a good sensory toy, and that they don't break that often. And all mine are right here. All mine right here are good guys. One of mine is a bad guy, and these two are good guys.
And I only have one bad guy, but these two are good guys today, and I really like them.
And so I'm going to show you the first hidden object, which is the donuts.
And who is that?
This is Simeon. So it's hard to see.
And tell us a little bit about Simeon.
Simeon is a monkey, a primate. Yep.
And what is his feature?
His feature is that he's stretchy. Yes.
So let's see him stretch out. Oh my goodness. And does he bounce right back, or is he a slow returning?
He's a slow returning.
Nice.
Stretch him far enough, he'll just
And do you like Simeon?
Yes, and the hidden thing inside him is a donut. Hard to see with all the bubbles, but it's a donut. And actually, that bubble's like right in the center. That's
Caden's turn. Back to Caden.
okay, so now it's my turn. So I'm going to review Thrash. So he is a great white shark. Okay. and he is a hero. And the only way you know if it's a hero or not is by the paw logo. And if it doesn't have the paw logo, but it has a splat skull, then that means you have a bad guy. So
What does Thrash do?
he is stretchy, and if you watch until the end of the video, these four do something very special. But
What about this guy?
not that guy. But we're not going to review it till the end. Yes.
So have you found the hidden object within Thrash yet?
Yes.
And what
It
is
is in his hand, and it is Jello. It's yellow, so
Not sure what it is
it's a
yet.
yellow Jello.
Oh, a yellow Jello. Nice.
And I want to show this hidden thing. Oh yeah.
Well, we'll come back to you. Let's see what you
Mine
have.
is the
Riplock.
Riplock, and
What is he? What animal is that?
an octopus is Riplock, and he
What does he do?
he stretches, and
Oh my goodness.
he is not a bad guy. He's a good guy, and
What's it hidden inside of his body? Do you know?
I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna find
Do
it.
any of you guys know what's inside Griplock?
Griplock has a lemon inside of him.
He has a lemon. Where is that lemon?
It's right here.
It's in his underwear.
Oh my goodness. Griplock, saving that for later. All right.
In the wrong place.
Next one. Let's see what we got now. Who is this? What character?
Blazagon.
And what is he filled with, Coley?
Orbeez.
And what are you looking for right now?
I'm looking for the lollipop inside of him.
So hard.
Very hard.
And is he a good guy or bad guy?
Good guy, and
Oh,
you
there
can
it
see
is.
the lollipop. It's getting covered right
And
now.
when you squeeze it, what do you think of when you're squeezing the Blazagon guy?
It feels like you're like squishing a bag full of Orbeez. Yeah.
Do you like him?
Yes. I feel like I'm bleeding. Okay, so this is Silverback the gorilla, and since Colton, Rolly did not say what Blazigon is. I'm gonna say what it is. No, and it is a Komodo dragon.
Okay.
And mine is Silverback, the gorilla, and he. Sorry. And he has a chocolate bar inside him.
What are those little beads inside of him? What are those?
Skulls.
Skulls? Can you squish that for me?
Skulls with liquid.
Whoa. And what's inside him again? He has chocolate?
Yeah, he has a chocolate inside him.
And it's white chocolate.
And so when you squish him around, what kind of noise do you get?
I hear like a crunch. So there's the chocolate. It's a
Can I
green
see?
chocolate.
It's
I want
white
that
chocolate.
Saving that for later, isn't he?
Yeah.
And mine is
Oh, and also he's hero status.
Oh, okay.
Saharia.
Sahario, and he don't have nothing inside him, but he do not stretch, but there's sand.
He's filled with sand.
Yeah, but
Is it hard or soft sand?
hard sand.
Hard. And what's his secret hidden thing? Or have we
He
found
don't have
it?
We
nothing.
do not know.
Because it's probably in the sand.
Well,
Yeah.
maybe you have to crunch all of it up, but my next one is gonna be this guy. I haven't found the thing inside him, but
And what's his name?
his name is Tiger.
Is he good or bad?
Good. You can see the little paw. And the first ever one we got was this one too. So,
But you don't know what his hidden object is yet?
no. We just
And where did
got
you get him?
Target today.
Today. So we haven't played with him too much.
Yeah. He's like
But he's super stretchy.
Yep.
Let's see. Oh my goodness. Is he going to stretch back, you think?
Look at this.
Oh,
I'm sick. Oh,
nice.
no.
Okay.
Okay, so my last one is Rockjaw. Oh, crikey, it's Rockjaw, the crocodile, and he's a bad, has bad status,
What's his name?
and yeah, that's about it. And he's filled with rocks. And
Let's see some of those rocks.
yeah.
Crikey, that is a rock jaw. Is that why they call him Rockjaw? Because he eats rocks?
Yeah, that's why they call him
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Have you found his hidden object yet?
No.
No. Because you just got him today?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
also, so one thing you like, the more you play with it, the more loose the things inside them are.
Mm.
So like, I mean, let's not talk about his gun. His were already loose. But so Rockjaw, you see how he's super hard, while this guy's like not that hard.
So you gotta work with the rubber a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta work with the rubber. And just like in the stretchy ones is the exact same as this. Like if you stretch it out, the more you stretch it out, the more
Stretchy they become.
the more like, watch, you see how fast that one goes back?
Mm.
Look how slow this one goes back.
Oh, okay.
So basically these, like the ones filled with stretchy slime, are basically like the ones filled with objects.
All right. And so what's Charlotte's last one here?
It's Viper, and he's soft with sand.
He
He's
has
soft
sand in him.
and he's soft.
And do you know what he has in him yet?
No,
No.
but he has a virus in him.
Oh.
That means he's the bad guy. Bad guy.
He's a bad guy?
Yeah.
So what do you guys think of Goo Jitsus?
I think it's cool because it's basically a sensory toy that's an action figure. And we are going to show you a few things about these 4 people, and we have to go close the door with no
Yep.
thing. So these are our 4 new ones, and they glow in the dark.
Should we show them?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, whoa.
So this is Viper. Which other one do you got, Rolly?
I got the other one is Tiger.
Tiger. Let's see yours, Caden. Oh, that was so cool. Look at the shark. What's
Baby shark doo doo doo.
What's the
Trash.
Trash. He glows blue.
Baby shark.
And then what's the one you have, Caden?
Mine is Rockjaw.
Nice. They're so cool.
Okay, so glowing in the dark is pretty cool.
Yeah.
But the coolest thing is that they're sensory tool action figures. So since the video is about to end, we want to say hit the subscribe button, make it gray, please. It will help us. And turn on notifications. Hit that bell. Hit the bell so then you get notifications whenever we release a new video. And then give us a big fat